360 camera system for Hyundai Kia. You have to align this calibration carpet to the center of the camera, and carpet and the car's distance in between 20 to 30 centimeter distance. It does not matter. And the side camera must be exactly straight forward to this side vertically so that you can recognize these 4 circles. Now it's 1.8 meter. We set up a little bit closer than the front. It's about 20 centimeter distance in between the car and the carpet. So the same thing for the middle of the camera location. And you will do the auto calibration now. Hold on. Oh, here it's broken. Okay, now it got better. That's because of the calibration. It's not yet done. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds to finish the calibration. Yep, it's all done. Perfect.